Saed. It's me again. You knew your brain would react from using that headset. It's just a feature. Your mind is all you've got, Saed. It's time to capitalize on that. Imagine if they could see things the way we see things. Maybe then they'd bother sticking around. Right? What is real? What makes us any less real than them? It's up to you what I am.
Even if this place isn't real, it's pretty beautiful.
Why chase a life that doesn't care about us? That takes and never gives back. When you could have all you wanted right here by yourself. Just between you and me. What even is real?